Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is EmiLou.Arts, and today I'm sitting down in my 2020 planner and I am going to plan the week of December 9th through the 16th? I can't remember. This is the A5 Hobonichi cousin Avec, and I added a few pages so that I could start using it now. This voiceover is doomed, so I have no idea what's going to happen. The first time I tried to do it, my dad started hacking up a lung, and you could hear that in the background. The second time, the neighbor fired up a chainsaw, couldn't make that shit up. The third time, my dad decided to plunge the toilet right on the other side of the room where I'm doing this voiceover.
I'm gonna kill somebody.
So anyway, this kit is so cute. It's like a buffalo check. It's from Shine Sticker Studio. Somebody said that they'd never heard the term buffalo check. Buffalo plaid? Plaid? I don't know. Is that not a word? Did I make that up? I'm not sure. I picked this black and gold washi tape because I had it in my collection and I thought that it kind of coordinated really well. And the date or day of the week little covers were not like wide enough to cover that whole space, or tall enough. So I thought that kind of accented it really pretty since it was kind of gold foil and the black. It looks really pretty, but you'll see that I went a little like bonkers with this top part of the thing. It ends up being like 4 inches wide because I just kept adding washi tape, and I don't know, you guys. I just thought this was the cutest kit with Star in the little old-fashioned truck with the Christmas tree, and then Luna and Star in the present. I can't get enough, you guys. I really cannot. And then, so I decided to add the black and gold washi at the bottom as well. I know these videos aren't, I think they're definitely not the most like watched ones that I do, but I just love doing these stickers and the plan with me's. I find it so relaxing to sticker. I really do. This kit is actually a B6TN kit because it didn't come in a pocket size one, so I bought it in the B6 to see how that would work. It's okay. It's fine. I used the bottom washi strips on the other, below the gold foil washi that I added, and then the little weekend banner, and then I decided to put Star with the Christmas tree truck up in the upper corner because that was my favorite. I just thought it was so stinking cute. And this is where I think things started to go. Oh no, I'm doing my sidebar now. So I'm using that like trackery. That's not a tracker. It's like a, you know, where you can record things on every single day. I think I decided to record dinners on it maybe, which is stupid because I never keep up with that because I don't plan ahead in advance, but maybe I will start because I have it in here. And then I put 2 of the trackers that they provided, and then I had this little awkward space, so I just decided to put a little like listy, you know, check flag in there and add something else. So there you can see I was just measuring the width of the columns that I made and then trimming like 1 millimeter off of each side of the to-do lists so that they fit in the columns. And this is where things just got hairy. So I did the to-do list across the top, and then I got to the weekend banner and I was like, oh, they're not going to be lined up because the weekend banner's there. I mean, would it have been a big deal if they were 1 millimeter off? No, probably would have been fine. We all would have survived. But I was like, oh, balls. So I peeled it up and decided to put washi underneath the weekend banner, and then put the to-do lists. And then I was like, well, but wait, then they don't line up with the other ones. So I pulled up the other to-do stickers and continued the black and gold washi along the other side, and then put the to-do headers down so that they all lined up. Now what we're left with is like 500 feet of washi at the top and nothing at the bottom.
Oh, Christ almighty, there he goes with the chainsaw again, you guys.
doomed, I tell you, in an airplane. Not that you guys just can't see what I'm doing, but anyway. So, yeah, there we've got our 900 strips of washi. I do think it looks very pretty and festive, so I'm not 100% mad at it. I was just wondering why I just kept adding more. So I put the little mitten flags down for to-do lists. And then I'm using the Pigma Micron to write in the dates. And then I'm going to start to stick in my boxes for Tuesday. Michael has the day off, so I just put in one of those like long boxes. Okay, I apologize for that background noise, but I'm not going to redo it. Wednesday, the kids are out early from school, so I put that cute little mitten box and then the little wreath. The wreath and some of those decorative ones came off of a little freebie, December freebie sheet that came with my order. And then Monday, I put a box in the bottom for ballet. And then I put that cute little sticky flag that I end up pulling up because I wanted to put a different box there. I put a long like horizontal box to cover Monday and Tuesday to write that I have work, like both those days, instead of using two different stickers. I put a little banner, hung it from underneath, and then a little coffee cup. I don't know why I put a banner. It's not like I'm excited to go necessarily. I do like my job, but sometimes you just feel like I would rather peel my skin off than go. I guess that's just how I feel right now. Oh, anyway, Friday, let's see, I'm putting in a sticker. Remember, you can flip them around too, because they were a little wide, but I didn't want to trim it because then I would lose the border around the sticker. So I just put it in vertically instead of horizontally for gymnastics. And then I wanted to use all of those deco boxes. So I'm just kind of putting them in the spread, trimming that one so that I can put it in a different, another place where it was sort of empty. And then if I don't put it in one box entirely, then I still have room to write a little bit in that box if something pops up. And then I decided to add that little bow banner thing to the top of the box where I was going to write that Michael was off work on Tuesday, and I think that's so cute. I just wanted to use every single stinking piece of this kit because it was so cute. And that's where I put another one of those boxes, but turned it on its side. And then again, using my Pigma Micron, I think in the 0.5 to write in all of my plans. I really like this pen on stickers. And on the Hobonichi paper itself, it works really well. It doesn't bleed through. If you get the micro perm, the Sakura micro perm, those will bleed through, so watch out. There is ghosting with this pen because it's quite dark, but it is very black and it works pretty well. I didn't fill out any of the rest of the spread because I didn't know what I wanted to do. And I didn't have any of my to-do lists made because I did this like early last week because I was just stressed and I wanted to sticker. So that's why I did. Are you kidding me? That was my dad. I'm so glad you guys are here with me. Stick around, please.